AI was meant to make finance easier. Faster forecasts, less manual effort, smarter decisions. But when the system takes over before the foundations are ready, things can get messy. Matthew thought automation was the answer. Replace the grunt work, speed things up, and let the system run itself.
Robots were keying Excel spreadsheets faster than any human ever could.
But cracks appear. Numbers don't match. Processes stall. People step in not to guide the system, but to patch its flaws. It worked, until it didn't. At CubeWise, we don't just apply AI. We make it work for the reality you're in. The right structure, the right logic. Built around people, not just processes. AI is powerful, but only when guided by real-world experience. We help you align technology with purpose. Clear data, agile workflows, smarter planning. From high-level planning to hands-on delivery, we help you get more from your systems. Not just by installing tools, but by rethinking how your team plans, decides, and acts. If you're ready to take control of your financial planning and do it right, talk to us.
At CubeWise, we work side by side with teams to get their performance management in order.
With AI built in where it actually adds value.
CubeWise, do good TM1.